For our video today, I want to share with you a great idea that my sister-in-law told me about, and she came to visit and we worked on some t-shirts with names on the back for her grandchildren for a thing that she does called Nana Camp. And so every year, right the day or two after the 4th of July, so it's the middle of the summer and the kids are out of school, my sister-in-law has her grandchildren come over and they have 2 days of fun with grandma. And so they all call her Nana, and that's why they call it Nana Camp. So what we're doing here is we are weeding the vinyl, and this is heat transfer vinyl or iron-on vinyl that is going to go on the backs of their t-shirts. So the boys have bright yellow color and the girls are getting their names in gold. And so that's what this project is. And so it actually is so fast, so easy. And so when you use heat transfer vinyl, what I did is I went into Cricut Design Space. I used just the basic Cricut font, and I did their letters in capitals and spelled out their names. You can adjust the spacing, you can just do all kinds of things, and then you weed out this heat transfer vinyl. Now, one thing I like about it is that back of that is actually sticky, and so you can put it on the shirt and have it stay right where you need it to go while you're doing your heat transfer. My sister-in-law is here to help me. We're going to lay these shirts out and make sure they're nice and straight, and this is the back side, of course. And then we're going to take the Cricut Easy Press and we are going to iron that out. That gets any moisture out of the shirt that might be there, of course gets the wrinkles out, and makes it so that when you put those names on there, they just go on so fast and so easy and so neatly. Now, one of the things that I did, of course, is I looked in the heat guide, Cricut's heat guide. I looked for the type of material that I'm using with the heat transfer vinyl. I was looking at the cotton content of the shirts. So we're going to follow that heat guide to make sure that we do the right amount of heat, the right amount of pressure, and the right amount of time. It also tells you whether you peel that up when it's hot or cold. And so these were all a cold peel. So when all is said and done, they come up very nicely. You see that that first peel is a little bit harsh on the vinyl, and so I like to replace the cover sheet and give it one more press of maybe 15 seconds just to make sure things are down really well. And then you'll see that once we do that, it just comes up so beautifully. The peel is easy and comes off really well. So we did all of the shirts, and it actually was it probably took us an hour in the afternoon just to get all of the shirts done. We loved the gold sparkle. It just ended up so cute. I want to share with you also some of the things that my sister-in-law does for Nana Camp, because I think this is such a great idea. Every year they do similar things, so they always have a craft project for the kids to work on. They always do a fishing pond, kind of like a carnival game fishing pond. They also take time to learn about family members, grandfathers, grandparents, aunts, uncles, so they know their family better. They always have a sleepover with a movie and popcorn. Because it's July and in the middle of a hot summer, they always do some kind of water games. So they might do a slip and slide or a splash pad out in the backyard, but that's one of the things that the kids seem to like the best. So I hope that gives you some ideas if you want to do your own grandparent camp. So I hope that gives you some ideas. If you want more ideas, be sure to subscribe and join us for future episodes with ideas, crafts, and fun. We'll see you next time.